In this video I'm going to show you how to add your own images to your templates. So in case this is not enough and you want to add some kind of a screenshot or a logo or any kind of image to the header or any of your other templates, this is how you do it. Okay, you go to File. Again, this is in GIMP. In Photoshop or Photoshop Elements this would be a little bit different. You go to File, Open as Layers, then just locate the image on your system where you saved it. If you get some kind of a message, I don't know, click Convert. This will add the image into your template. If you want, you can move it up or down in the layers palette. Right now you see that it's below the effect layers. That means the effects will be above this image and it won't show up clearly. So what you can do is you can simply move it up above all of these layers here. Okay, just bring it to the top. And this will put your image above all of those other layers, making it more visible. Okay, if the image is too big, as is the case here, you can resize it with this resize tool. Okay, so click on the scale tool and check this box here to keep the aspect ratio. Okay, make sure this is visible and then just click somewhere to start resizing the image. Okay, you can drag up or down to make it smaller or bigger, and when you have this checked, this will make sure the aspect ratio of the image is intact. Okay, so make it as big or as small as you want. Okay, let's make it this size, and once you're happy, press enter on your keyboard. And then you might want to move it, you might have to move it using this move tool. Then just move it anywhere you want to position it on the header. Okay, so if you want it here, put it here. For this example, let's put it in the corner here. Okay, so you have your image now inside the header. And there's several things you can do with this now. You can rotate the image if you want, so you can put it on a different angle to give it some kind of a effect. Okay, so just go to this rotate tool and click on the image and start rotating it. Okay, so you can make it go like this, any way you want. And again, so once you're happy, click enter key on your keyboard. Now use the move tool to position it again. Okay. If you want, you can put the image behind the bottom bar here, like so it goes behind this little bar at the bottom, and you can do that by just dragging it in the layers palette, by dragging it under the bar layers. Okay, and this puts it behind like this here, this thing here. If you want, you can also put it below the shape layer, again by just dragging it below the layer. Okay, and now the image appears behind the shape there. But let's just put it in a corner like this. You can also change the opacity on it to make it blend in to your header. You can change the opacity to make it more visible or invisible, and you can also change the blending mode, which will again make it blend into the header. Sometimes this is a good idea, you know, if you want to keep the exact colors of your design, you want to make play around with these blending options or the opacity here. Or you can just leave it normal if you want. Okay, so there's more things you can do with the image, but this should be enough to get you started. Again, just go to File, open as layers, and then use the resize and rotate. And there's other tools here. You can distort the images, change the perspective, and just modify them in different ways. So again, just play around with these tools. And that's it for this tutorial. So I'll see you again soon.